With this, we come to the end of our initial exploration of the work portal in BIZUIT dashboard. Today, we saw how the portal allows each user to manage their tasks efficiently, with personalized access to processes based on their roles and permissions. From creating new cases to reviewing and approving tasks, we've seen how the workflow automatically progresses from one stage to the next. We also learned how to apply filters in the task tray, a fundamental tool for organizing daily activities and facilitating quick access to priority tasks. The possibility of saving customized filters and applying them in future sessions allows us to maintain an organized workflow, fully adapted to our needs. In addition, we saw how administrators can set up filters for all users, allowing certain search criteria to be accessible globally within the organization. This is especially useful for standardizing search methods and improving team efficiency. Remember that efficient use of the work portal and filters is key to maintaining organization and prioritizing tasks. This not only boosts productivity, but also ensures that processes progress in a timely and organized manner. Thank you for joining us for this lesson on the work portal in BIZUIT dashboard. In the next videos, we'll continue exploring more features that will help you manage processes in your organization even more efficiently. See you soon!